Are Chinese cars taking over Jamaica? In recent years, Chinese car brands have been making waves in global markets, including Jamaica. With their competitive pricing, modern features, and growing reputation, these vehicles are becoming a more common sight on Jamaican roads. But are they truly taking over? In this video, we will explore the market dynamics, affordability, reliability, public perception, dealership support, and comparisons with Japanese and European brands to determine the real impact of Chinese cars in Jamaica. Chinese automakers like BYD, Changan, Geely, and Great Wall Motors have been expanding aggressively in Jamaica. With dealerships now offering more models and flexible financing options, these brands are gaining traction. Data from local automotive reports suggest a steady increase in sales, but how do they compare to established brands like Toyota, Nissan, and Volkswagen? Chinese car brands have been gradually increasing their market share in Jamaica over the past decade. Traditionally, Japanese automakers such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan have dominated the market due to their well-established reputation for reliability and affordability. However, the emergence of Chinese automakers has disrupted this dominance. Many Jamaican consumers are now considering Chinese cars as viable alternatives due to their affordability and modern features. In 2015, Chinese car brands accounted for a small fraction of Jamaica's automobile market, but by 2023, their share had grown significantly. This growth is attributed to aggressive marketing, affordable financing options, and government incentives supporting trade with China. The Chinese government has actively promoted automotive exports as part of its Belt and Road Initiative, which has facilitated trade partnerships with various Caribbean nations, including Jamaica. One of the biggest selling points of Chinese cars is their affordability. Compared to their Japanese and European counterparts, these vehicles often come with a lower price tag while still offering competitive features. Many Jamaican consumers are drawn to Chinese cars because they offer modern features such as touchscreen infotainment systems, advanced safety technologies, and fuel-efficient engines at a lower cost. For example, a brand new BYD or Changan model can cost significantly less than a comparable Toyota or Honda. The affordability of Chinese cars makes them particularly attractive to first-time car buyers and middle-income families looking for budget-friendly options. However, some consumers remain skeptical about the long-term value of Chinese vehicles. While they may offer a lower upfront cost, concerns about durability, maintenance costs, and resale value remain key considerations. Many consumers wonder whether buying a Chinese car will save them money in the long run or lead to higher expenses due to potential repair issues. Reliability has long been a major concern for car buyers, and Chinese manufacturers are working hard to shed past reputations of inferior quality. But how do they actually compare in real-world Jamaican conditions? Jamaica's road conditions can be harsh, with potholes, rough terrain, and high humidity impacting vehicle longevity. While Chinese automakers have improved their quality control processes, some mechanics report that certain models still have durability issues compared to their Japanese counterparts. The quality of materials used in Chinese cars has improved, but some owners have reported issues with suspension systems, electrical components, and engine performance over time. Despite these concerns, Chinese manufacturers are rapidly evolving. Brands like Geely and BYD have invested heavily in research and development, producing vehicles that rival traditional automakers in terms of safety and performance. In fact, some Chinese models have received high safety ratings in international crash tests, demonstrating that they are improving their standards. Jamaicans have historically favored Japanese cars due to their proven reliability and widespread availability of parts. But is public perception shifting? A survey conducted among Jamaican car owners revealed mixed opinions about Chinese vehicles. Some consumers praise them for their affordability and modern technology, while others remain hesitant due to concerns about resale value and spare parts availability. Online forums and social media discussions indicate that younger buyers are more open to trying Chinese brands, whereas older consumers tend to stick with well-known Japanese or European models. Brand reputation also plays a role in consumer trust. Japanese brands have built decades of goodwill in the Jamaican market, whereas Chinese brands are still in the process of establishing themselves. However, as more Chinese cars enter the market and prove their reliability, public perception may shift in their favor. A crucial aspect of owning a vehicle is access to spare parts and quality after-sales service. How do Chinese dealerships compare? One of the main challenges faced by Chinese car owners in Jamaica is the availability of spare parts. While official dealerships stock some replacement parts, certain components may need to be imported, leading to delays in repairs. In contrast, Japanese brands have a well-established supply chain for parts, making it easier for owners to find replacements quickly. Warranty and servicing options are also important factors for buyers. Some Chinese brands offer extended warranties to attract customers, but questions remain about the quality of after-sales service. Some owners have reported difficulty finding mechanics who are familiar with Chinese vehicle systems, which can lead to higher maintenance costs. With increasing investment and growing acceptance, what does the future hold for Chinese cars in Jamaica? As Chinese automakers continue to improve their vehicles and expand their presence, their market share in Jamaica is expected to grow. Electric vehicle (EV) adoption is another factor that could contribute to their success. China is a global leader in EV production, and Jamaican consumers looking for affordable electric options may turn to brands like BYD, which specializes in EVs. Government policies will also play a crucial role in shaping the future of Chinese cars in Jamaica. If trade agreements continue to favor Chinese imports and incentives for electric vehicles increase, Chinese brands could become even more competitive in the local market. Chinese cars are undeniably growing in popularity in Jamaica, offering affordability, modern features, and competitive financing. However, concerns around reliability, resale value, and after-sales service remain key factors in consumer decisions. While they may not have fully taken over yet, their presence is strong and growing. Will they dominate the Jamaican car market in the future? Only time will tell. As consumer trust increases and dealerships improve their support networks, the Jamaican automotive landscape could see a shift toward more Chinese vehicles on the road. Whether this shift will be temporary or permanent depends on the ability of Chinese automakers to consistently deliver high-quality, reliable vehicles that can stand the test of time.